The Quick Convert multi-driver from Crescent replaces the need to carry multiple fastening tools. Integrated into the corrosion-resistant polished chrome shaft are 3 common-size nut drivers and 4 sizes of durable premium-grade Phillips and slotted bits. 2 unique features make the Quick Convert multi-driver a must-have tool you'll use every day. First is the T-handle conversion that significantly increases torque. In a single tool, you have the speed of a straight handle and the power of a T-handle. To convert, just pull the shaft, rotate the handle, and push to lock in place. Second is a built-in Crescent universal socket that conforms to any fastener shape from 1/4 to 1/2 inch for a secure fit that won't slip. This feature alone replaces an entire tool belt of different type drivers. The dual material cushioned handle provides a non-slip grip and resists oil and grease. One single tool, extreme versatility. That's Crescent innovation. Visit crescenttool.com to learn more about the Quick Convert multi-driver.
Meet the Make-U Form Box, a desktop vacuum former that brings your business to life, powered by any vacuum cleaner. It works with a world of materials to help you turn your ideas into amazing products. First, make your design and place it on the bed. The Form Box molds a 3D shape in seconds. Take it out and start a production line right from your tabletop. Use clever materials to bring your imagination to life, like brilliant blue chocolates and personalized packaging. For brands that look as good as they taste, the Form Box puts the power of making in your hands. Use it with your 3D printer to build professional models in your studio. With high-quality materials and finishes, rapidly create product prototypes to show clients your vision in real life. Ready to be your own boss? Make short runs of original, bespoke products from home. Take even the most simple idea and watch your business clean up. Sometimes you don't want to design from scratch. Explore our online library of projects. Find inspiration together to customize your home. Bring your next invention to life and give your 3D printer superpowers. Turn things lying around the house into tasty treats, or create the perfect prototype on your schedule to shape your vision your way. Start creating beautiful products, mold intricate shapes into remarkable objects. Put the power of making in your hands with the Make-U Form Box.